Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to hide balance on Trust Wallet. Hiding your balance is useful for privacy when someone else is looking at your screen or when you are filming a screen walkthrough. First of all, open up Trust Wallet application on your device, and then once you open it up, from the home page, you will be able to see the balance on your wallet at the very top. If you tap on the balance, then you will be able to see your current balance on your wallet. If you ever want to keep your balance hidden, then all you need to do is to tap on your balance under My Wallet at the top, and it will be concealed with asterisk signs or blank spaces instead of actual numbers. Once you do that, your funds or your balance on your wallet will be hidden from your dashboard. You can also enable additional lock for your wallet by enabling the lock pin or Face ID or fingerprint so that others cannot open your wallet. So that way you will be able to hide your balance on your wallet. If you want the balances to show again, you can simply tap on the asterisk sign at the top and your current balance will be visible in numeric values. So that's how you easily hide your balance from your Trust Wallet dashboard. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.